How to check your age on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your age on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. You can't really see your age on TikTok, but there is a way to see your age. All you need to do is click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Click on the second choice. Click on download your data. Now click on request data. I have already selected file format, which is a TXT, and I have already clicked on processing request. Now that's what you're gonna do too. And once you do that, click on download data and click on data for home to media. And you're gonna wait a couple of days and they're gonna show up all your information, all your download data, and you're gonna see your age that you tap on the first when you log in on TikTok. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.